Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to verify your Discord account. So let's go to the browser. Open the browser where you opened your or created your Discord account. Sorry. Now go to Discord, log in or open Discord. This one. After creating your new Discord account, how you can verify? It's so simple. You can see here, please check your mail and follow the instructions to verify your account. Okay, so let's go to your mail, this email, in which mail you have opened this account, I mean Discord account. So going here, and I found this, welcome to Discord, and this one verify, you can see here, right? So if you want to verify from here, click verify email, or if you don't find the email, sometimes server doesn't send you email address, verify email. So in this case, you have to click on this recent. Is this email? Okay, and then the server, Discord server, will give you another mail. See, it has came, this one. Now if you want to verify, just simply click on this verify email. Your email is verified, continue to Discord. Okay, so here your Discord account is verified. Okay, another thing you can do is, if your account gets old but you did not verify it yet, so click on your name and you will find here verification, exactly here. But I have already verified this account, that's why it's not showing. Then if you click on this verify here, it will send the message in your email, and then you can verify from here. Okay guys, so this is how you can verify email address for Discord, or verify Discord in email address. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.